In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extrude in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn flat sketches into solid geometry and how to tweak settings so your results are clean, accurate, and easy to edit later. Start by opening your sketch or 3D model in Fusion 360. If you're working from a sketch, make sure it's visible in the browser and fully defined the way you want. If you've already got a model, you can extrude additional features right off existing faces. It helps to orbit around and set a clear view so you can confidently select the areas you intend to work with. Next, select the profile or face you want to extrude. A profile is any closed sketch region, like a rectangle or circle. You can select multiple profiles at once if they're meant to move together. If nothing highlights, check that your sketch loops are closed and that the sketch itself is not hidden. Now open the Extrude command, go to Create, then choose Extrude, or simply press the E key for a faster workflow. This brings up the Extrude dialog and a manipulator arrow in the graphics window. You can drag the arrow for a quick visual adjustment or type in precise values in the dialog. Enter the distance and set the direction for the extrusion. Distance can be a number, a parameter, or even driven by selecting a face or body to extrude up to. Direction controls whether the extrusion goes one side, two sides, or symmetrically about the sketch plane. If the geometry needs to go the opposite way, you can flip the arrow or use a negative value. You can also add a taper angle here if you need draft for manufacturing. Choose the operation type to define how this new geometry will interact with existing bodies. New body creates a separate solid grate for keeping parts distinct. Join merges the extrusion with a body it touches, which is useful for building up a single solid. Cut removes material where it overlaps, ideal for holes, pockets, and clearances. Intersect keeps only the overlapping volume between the extrusion and existing geometry, handy for advanced shaping. When everything looks right in the preview, click OK to apply the extrusion. The feature appears in your timeline, so if you need to revise distance, direction, or operation later, just double-click the Extrude feature to edit it. That's all there is to it. Select a profile or face, launch the command, set your extent and operation, and confirm. With these fundamentals, you can model confidently and build up complex parts step by step.